Okay, so this is a demonstration of how I fixed a worn switch on my Black & Decker model LSW221 sweeper. And the problem that I was having was that I tried to use it and I pushed a button on top, it wouldn't turn on at all. If you are having a problem with just trying to get it to turn on and turn off again before you throw it away and buy a brand new one, you might want to take a look at this video and see if this can help you repair your sweeper. The tools that you'll be using for this repair are a screwdriver, a utility knife, some duct tape, a pair of scissors to cut the duct tape. You might or might not need it. And something to hold your screws that you take out of the sweeper. Just want to note, before you start working on this, check your warranty. This should come with a 2-year warranty. And once you cut this sticker right here and you start taking it apart and messing around with it, your warranty is void. My experience with Black & Decker is that they usually do a really good job as far as honoring the warranty, so please check your warranty first before you start messing. Okay, for disassembly, the first thing you want to do is, if you have a battery installed, remove your battery. And then remove your nozzle. You'll be the circle right here is just a little button, so all you have to do is just push down and pull up, and the nozzle comes right off. Next, you want to remove the screws. Once again, I already done repair on the sweeper, so I removed all the screws except for 2 of them. But it's really not hard to do. You have all the screw holes, which are extremely visible. So all you have to do is take your screwdriver and remove all the screws. So I got 2 screws here. And then just put the screws in your container. Really easy. The next step, you have this sticker right here. So just take your utility knife and cut the sticker in half. Then your sweeper should come right apart. Just like this. Okay. Now that the sweeper is taken apart, there are 3 basic parts for this repair. The first part is this black on and off button. The second part is a switch. And the third part is this orange switch button, which turns the sweeper on and off. Down is on and up is off. Now keep in mind that the sweeper is about 3.5 years old. The reason why the sweeper wasn't turning on is because of a worn switch. This orange switch button is worn at the top right here, and the bottom of the black on and off button was worn at the bottom. So the problem was Right now this is in the off position. You push it forward, it's on. So the problem was that between the wear of the bottom of the on and off button and the top of the switch, it wasn't pushing the orange switch button all the way down and turning on the sweeper. So in order to fix that, it's really simple. All I did was take some duct tape and put it at the bottom of the black on and off button right here to fill the gap. So now with the duct tape right here, and keep in mind, sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it exactly right, depending on your sweeper, if you have this problem. So now with the duct tape filled the gap and pushed, and now when I turn on the on and off button, it pushes the orange switch button down, which turns on the switch and turns on the sweeper. So the problem with my sweeper was that it was just a worn switch. That's it. And once again, the simple fix is to take some duct tape and put it at the bottom of the black on and off button to fill the gap. Okay, so I put my duct tape on the bottom of the black on off button. So now I'm going to put my sweeper back together again and give it a test. Here we go. And I'm just going to put one screw in the front and one in the back, so if I have to make any adjustments, I don't have to take all the screws out in order to make my adjustments. So one in the back, and this one goes in the front. Insert battery. Okay, so I consider that to be a good repair. Hopefully this helps someone out. And if you found this information useful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. And once again, if you found this information to be useful or helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.